Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off live notifications on TikTok. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. Then go ahead and click on the profile button at the bottom right. Once you click on that, locate and click on the menu at the top right. Click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, come to Content and Display and then click on Notifications. Now scroll down Notifications page until you get to Live. Then under Live, locate and click on Live Notification Settings. Then hang on for the Live Notification Settings page to open. Once opens, make sure you turn off all live notifications you have here. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn off live notifications on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.